Before we start building a Tauri app with notifications, let's check that you have all the prerequisites installed. We need Rust, Cargo, Node, JS, and NPM installed on your system. All prerequisites are installed. Let's create our notification app. Let's create a new Tauri app. We'll use npm create Tauri app to generate the project. We select npm as the package manager, React as the front-end framework, and TypeScript as the language. The project is being created with all the necessary files and dependencies. Now we navigate into the project and install the dependencies with npm install. Project created successfully. We have a working Tauri React TypeScript app. To send notifications, we need to install the Tauri plugin notification package. First, we add the Rust crate using cargo add in the src Tauri directory. Then we install the JavaScript package using npm install for the front-end API. The notification plugin is now installed on both the Rust and JavaScript sides. Now we need to register the notification plugin in the Rust backend. We open lib.rs and add the plugin initialization using the .plugin method. We add Tauri_plugin_notification init to the builder chain. The backend is now configured to handle notifications. Now let's create the front-end UI with a button to send notifications. We import the send notification function from the Tauri notification plugin. We create an async function that calls send notification with a title and body. The button triggers the notification when clicked. Here's our notification app running. Click the button to send a desktop notification. The notification appears in your System Notification Center. That's how easy it is to add notifications to Tauri.